Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by the one and the only Ana Luisa, and I'm so happy every time I partner with them because they are literally one of my favorite jewelry brands and they are so affordable. They did send me this I think a little over a year ago, and I'm still wearing it to this day. I still wear it every single day and it still looks good. So the quality on their jewelry is amazing. It's great. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a few of the pieces that they sent me, as well as just tell you guys a little bit about why I like them. That I love about them is they're trying to do their part with making the earth a better place. Their jewelry is not only good quality, but it is good for the environment as well. The things that they do is they use reusable little pouches that you can reuse. Like, these pouches are so cute that they sent in this time, and they also have these pouches as well that you can reuse and use for whatever. I just think it's so cute. And also the box that they use is 100% recyclable materials, so, you know. So as you guys know, the holidays are coming up. Christmas is right around the corner, and Black Friday is sneaking up on us. So make sure that you guys already have some ideas. Luisa is going to be having a great sale. It's going to be a buy one, get one, 60% off. So make sure you guys go ahead and click the link in the description box below and place those orders on Black Friday so you can have this gift, because these gifts are amazing. The jewelry is amazing, and you can give these gifts to your family members, to your loved ones, to your friends, and it will be a great gift to give. So make sure you guys click the link in the description box so you can pick up some of your very own Ana Luisa for you or for a family member for the holidays. Let's get into this video. Hey guys, so today is going to be a kind of like a small little vlog. I'm gonna go to Home Goods later today, and I'm going to be decorating my wreath on my door and trying to make it more festive, because the one that I have is just like a, you know, it's just for an all occasion type of wreath. So I'm gonna go ahead, I already have some Christmas decor that I can use that I have from last year. And I did have a Christmas wreath last year, but I threw it away because I was scared that there were bugs on it. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking my little guy with me. Jackson, you ready to go Christmas shopping? This boy's obsessed with these freaking Crocs and his shoes, but I'm about to change his diaper and then we're gonna head out. On my way to Home Goods, and this boy is already sleeping. I actually don't mind going, like, doing things while Jackson is with me, because for the most part he stays asleep in his stroller. I'll just put him in a stroller and then lean it down, and then he'll just stay asleep for a while. So yep, he is pretty good on that part. So Home Goods was a bus, which is rare that I say that, but they didn't have any of the comforters. And then I was gonna buy like some Christmas decor, but the line, and mind you, it was what, like 12 o'clock? Like, why aren't these people at work or something? So yeah, I ended up just leaving. I went to, it was in a little plaza, so we went to Party City to get like some Thanksgiving decor, and then we went to Five and Below to see if they, just see what they had. So I got some stuff from Party City. Jackson was sleeping the whole time. He woke up like as I was finished getting everything, and now we're eating Panera bread. And you want more? So yeah, after this we're gonna head home because it's raining. So who wants to be out doing stuff in the rain. All right, guys, so we are finally back home. It felt like a wasteful trip because I didn't get anything that I really needed. And we got soaked trying to come back in the house, but I am going to still try and do my Christmas wreath. I just have to get it off the door. Hopefully there's no bugs on it. So that's what we're about to do right now. And I'm gonna get the stuff that I'm gonna use for the wreath. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what my wreath looks like that I have on my door. I got this from, I actually think I got this from the fabric store because I went to go get some fabric and I needed a new one, so I just picked up this one. So I have these things, I don't know what they're called, Christmas, I don't know what they're called. But I have these that I got last year from Michael's. I have 3 of them. I have some acorns, and these were $1.99 each. And then I have this Christmas bow that I got from TJ Maxx, and it's $7.99. So I was thinking, you know, putting this here or here. I'm not really sure. You guys help me choose in the comment section below. But I don't know if it should be here or here on the bottom. So, I guess I'll switch it whatever you guys say if I don't like the way that it turned out. So, I'm gonna go ahead and probably cut this. Just cut some pieces off of it. I did already stick some in there so I can kind of get a feel of how it's gonna look. Perfect. Hi, buddy. I'm just gonna show you guys the wreath. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if I should add the acorns or not because I don't feel like there's enough space to do that. But this is what it's looking like so far. And I think that's pretty much it. Maybe I'll try and bring this one, put it right here so that it shows more. Yeah, so that looks better already. So that's kind of what my wreath looks like. Should I add lights to that, or do you guys think it's enough? Let me know as well. And I'm gonna put one of the acorns on there, so I can see how it looks and see if I want to do that. And then you guys let me know as well. I think I found somebody to come and do like a cleaning of the house before I do all the Christmas decor, so that's great. Hopefully they can do that Tuesday, and then I put up the decor on Tuesday after they do that, because I do have family and stuff coming over for the holidays. Thank you guys so much for watching this tiny little vlog. Make sure you guys hit that like button if you liked the video, and if you guys want to see like more Christmas decorating videos, let me know. This is just like a little tiny easy way to do a DIY wreath. If you guys already have one and you just want to kind of like make it more festive, that's a quick way to do it. So yes, let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Jackson, say bye-bye. Good job, baby. Bye.